Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily disable or enable Autozoom on Garmin inReach Mini 2. So first, what you guys need to do is click OK to enter the settings. Now click the arrow up and now select settings by clicking OK once more. Now go to map and scroll until you see Autozoom. Here what you can do is disable it by clicking OK, and as you guys can see, when it says off, it's disabled. Now if you want to enable it back again, simply click OK once more. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.